Alright guys, well, we got hammered with snow last night, probably 4 or 5 inches, and we're supposed to get 3 to 7 more today. Well, right now I gotta get the bucket on the Kubota and get the house driveway cleaned out because one of my daughters got to go to work this morning, so I need to get on that. So let's get this thing fired up. All right, it is nasty out. That wind chill is crazy. So last night the storm coming from the south, so that was a little bit different kind of snow. But looks like probably only got about 4 inches. But today it's going to be the lake effect, which that can, like I said, range between 3 and 7. I mean, if we get another 4 or 5 inches, that's going to be quite a bit of snow. All right, done with breakfast. I had to get some more clothes on. That wind is horrific. So right now the ambient temperature is about 12 degrees, and then with the wind chill, it's probably in the negatives, I'm sure. But I got to continue plowing these driveways. I got to get some ice kind of scraped away from the barn door, so it's not so slippery right there in the front, so when we take the horses out, they don't slip and slide. So I got to kind of try to chisel that all up with the Kubota here. Hopefully that'll work. Then I got to push the manure. So just really work with the tractor for right now. It's so windy. I don't know if I'll be able to set you guys up and film. I'll probably blow my camera over. So I'll get you guys in an area where it's kind of safe. So, all right, let's go back out in the weather and see what we can get done. Got everything pushed off. This will all melt here in a couple days though. Got the manure pile all pushed off. Tried to scrape the ice away, but it's pretty frozen. So I'm gonna clean some horse stalls out here and get back in the warm. Whew. Guys can't hardly see me. There we go. But it's pretty nasty out, guys. But we'll still keep moving forward because we have to. We got animals. All right, so let's see if we can get this barn cleaned up. You already do this one? Does it need any sawdust?
Yeah.
Bag of sawdust. It's the wind's died down a little bit, so it's not too bad out here, but my camera keeps shutting off because of the cold. So I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Yeah, we got a few more chores we got to finish up in the barn, but like I said, we're gonna get some warmer temperatures next week, but it's just gonna make it a muddy mess out here. But I'll catch you guys on the next one.